55 Nomad. Got a big bear in it. Would be expected in a car like this, I guess. Next here, a Coupe de Ville. 55 Cadillac, just absolutely gorgeous. At the Blue Moon Cruiser Show at New Kingston Fire Station, Kingston, Pennsylvania. Check this out. Chrysler. I guess he works whenever. Very cool. Look at that interior. Step back in time for sure. Push button transmission. Look at that around the steering wheel with the gauges. Very cool. New Yorker. Corvettes. Convertibles. Geez, Falcon wagons. Sedan delivery or whatever. GTOs, Camaros. 51 Chevy truck, lowered slam. And the Stutz. Not to be confused with the Stutz Bearcat. Over the top, cushy. Shouldn't be sitting in it earlier. Got knockoff hubs on the wheels. Look how plush the carpet is in there. Furry trunk, whoever. Go figure. Barracuda. Convertible S. Check that out. 41. Beautiful wheels on that. Got a crate in the back. Please do not touch. I don't blame him one bit. There's my boss. Cure, 29 grand. Triple black. Beautiful. Flathead, V8 on it. That'll rock. Beautiful. Probably a little tricky to drive. Beautiful paint on it. Street Route Association. Check this thing out. 1953 Chrysler Hemi. This is when they're 180 horsepower. And they'll start it here. Connected to that beautiful sports satellite right there with a 440 motor. Looks like it's ready for drag, but it's not. Very cool. Firepower. Elizabethtown, Pennsylvania. Absolutely. He's gonna run this thing for me and it's gonna be great. Oh, it starts right up. Look at the stacks moving. That is way cool. Get no better than that, that's for sure. The temps, the oil gauge, oil pressure, bulge fuel, just like in your car. It's way cool. Stacks moving. Love the wagon too. Yeah, absolutely. Ah, look at her in the back here hanging out. She's very pretty. She is? She really is. 440. Gotta love that right there.